Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I am back with a Peachy cheap haul. So I've been resisting buying a lot of the Peachy cheap stuff because when you add in their shipping, it doesn't always end up being a great deal. It just really depends on what it is and how much I want it. But they had snow and cocoa, so I really wanted snow and cocoa because I do have a 12 by 12 pad, and I really am interested. I don't know if I'm even going to get to create with this because I've just been so busy with lots of other projects. But this Peachy Cheap, I cannot remember exactly how much it was. It was a good price, maybe $8.99. I don't know. I have my maybe $6.99, $8.99, $9.99 plus shipping. So maybe it's $15, $16. It wasn't bad because the ephemera. If you try to buy the ephemera, it's pretty expensive right now. But this is what it included. You got the snow and cocoa ephemera, which I do not have, and the ephemera I love. Now I did see. I think it was Crafty Cakes, Gloria here. She went, I guess you can go to AC Digitals, which I do know about, and you can buy the paper as well as the ephemera digital. And then you can print it out, you can cut it by hand, or you can use your like Cricut or Silhouette to cut them out. So that might be something that you can do. But economically, this was a good deal. If I was to buy it on Amazon, then AC Digitals would be a better deal because I think these are like $6 or something like that by themselves on Amazon. So I got the ephemera, I got the puffy stickers, which I love. And so you see puffy stickers. I actually have the stamp set. Let's see the stamp set. It says Burr and Burr. So I have a stamp set for this. So I'm very excited about that. So it came with those. It came with these jar pockets, which are insanely adorable. So you get these jars, you get some twine, and you get these little pieces along with sequins. So very, very cute. It looks like, I don't know how many you get. 6 maybe? Yeah, 6 jar pockets. So that's a really good deal. And then I love these clips. So these are like an epoxy or some sort of, yeah, I think they're epoxy because they kind of have a rubber feel to them. And you get these, which are insanely adorable. And then you also get some 12 by 12. So you get one, 2, 3, 4 sheets of 12 by 12, which is not a ton. I do have the snow and cocoa, but what I usually save the loose sheets for is if I'm going to do a traveler's notebook, because these are double-sided and they're pretty good, weight. So I usually use these for traveler's notebooks because then I don't have to layer them, because the 12 by 12 pack or the book that you get, those papers are one-sided. So then if you don't, like when you do a traveler's notebook, then you're going to want to, put your papers back to back. I think it's not quite as fun. So these are the papers that it came with. And so I love this one for a traveler's notebook. So I have a 12 by 12. So I'm probably, going to make one just for fun. Because since I got these 12 by 12 papers, I am very excited about getting those because it is nice to have the separate papers. So that's my snow and cocoa Peachy Cheap haul. And I'd be on the lookout. Oops, not this one. I'd be on the lookout because they tend to put the same holes up. This is the second time that the snow and cocoa haul deal has been up. Like when they were doing the Flourish by Maggie Holmes, it was up like 3 or 4 times. So I would keep a lookout. What I normally do is, you can sign up for the emails, but I find that they go in my trash a lot, is to follow their Instagram. So I follow their Instagram, and that's how I find out about many of my deals, is on Instagram. So I would try that. But if this is something you're looking for, I would keep my eyes peeled for it, because not that I can guarantee it, but I would expect that this deal will be up again, because I find that these crate and paper deals, they show up more than one time. So I mean, I believe this is the second time I've seen this one, but you definitely should keep a lookout for it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.